This is why your back is still in pain.
Your doctor is staring at the steak and completely missing the tape. Okay, this steak is your back muscles. Those noodles are tiny nerves, and this tape is your skin that is squishing those nerves and making your life miserable. I'm going to show you how to take the pressure off those nerves and get out of pain in less than 30 seconds. Dr. Jeremiah Jimerson, aka Younger You Doc. Your MRI doesn't show this. Your doctor doesn't look for it. Your physical therapist usually isn't checking it, and most chiropractors miss it too. The number of patients that I have fixed with this in less than a minute after they have tried everything is honestly insane. Today we're talking about cutaneous nerves, and more specifically ones that can cause dull and sometimes excruciating lower back pain. These guys are called your cluneal nerves, and they hang out just below the skin in your lower back, and they can cause pain and tightness in your lower back, your butt muscles, your hips, and sometimes even down your leg. Now, just for reference, your sciatic nerve is massive in comparison. It's about as thick as your thumb. These aren't. These nerves are tiny. They're about the thickness of a piece of angel hair pasta, and MRIs and diagnostic imaging can't really show them getting stuck or compressed. And it only takes about the pressure of a dime pressing on a nerve that small that can cause dull or sometimes sharp electric pain, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it in just a couple of seconds. But there are rules to finding and fixing these nerves. Rule number 1. Now, skin should not be painful. You should be able to pinch it, lift it, pull it away from your body with almost zero discomfort. So if simply grabbing the skin on your lower back hurts, it's pinchy, it's painful, that is not muscle pain. That is a pissed off nerve. So right now, try pinching and lifting the skin all around your lower back. If you make a noise like this, congratulations, you found your pinched cluneal nerve. Rule number 2, tight skin. Check this out. I want you to try this on the back of your arm. Okay, grab this skin. See how I can lift this up? See how this moves? That's normal. Now go back to your lower back where it hurts, and I want you to try the same thing. If you can't get a good grip, if it feels glued down, that nerve is stuck underneath. Now, if you can't actually grab that skin, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to fix that. Rule number 3, painful motion disappears. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to find a movement that hurts. Try bending forward, try leaning back, try twisting, try to reach. Find some motion that doesn't feel good. Now you're going to pinch and lift the skin right over that painful spot and try the same movement again. If the pain suddenly drops or goes away, ding, 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 you're in the right spot. Rule number 4 is move. So we found our piece of skin that felt tender, we found our piece of skin that felt tight, we found our piece of skin that took the pain from that painful movement, and now you're going to move while pinching and lifting the skin. And what you're trying to accomplish is you're getting some glide between the skin, the fascia, and the muscle, and that's gonna take that pressure off of that nerve. So what I'm gonna do here is give the skin a little shake, and then bend and twist and move, and then give it another little shake, and then bend and twist and move. And afterwards, the pain should be gone, and that previously painful movement should now be pain-free. Now, if it's not completely pain-free, you might need to look for other areas. The spot that you found that relieves most of the pain is the spot that you're going to keep targeting several times a day. You're not stretching anything, you're training the skin to stop getting stuck on the nerve. You're flushing out tiny little pockets of inflammation that keep irritating the nerve over and over again. And over time, you're gonna notice that the skin won't hurt and the movement won't hurt. Now, if your fingers can't grab the skin or can't lift the skin off the muscle, that's when you're going to use suction. You can pick up a pack of silicone massage cups off of Amazon for about $7. Put some lotion around the edge to create a seal, and then you're going to go to town. Maybe if you're desperate, you can get a clean sink plunger. That might do as well. You're not broken, you're not old, and your back isn't doomed. Sometimes you just have a tiny little nerve that's been glued down. Free it, and your pain shuts up and you feel like a younger you. If this helped you, make sure you save it. If you know somebody that has back pain, send it to them.